The next 10 minutes of this video will introduce you to the safest and economically effective marketing plan built on the top blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, that allows you to receive instant rewards in BUSD directly to your own crypto wallet. In this particular video, we will focus only on Forsage marketing programs based on BUSD stablecoin and how they work. You can find more information about other Forsage products in the other videos. Forsage has united millions of people across the globe from all continents and helped achieve financial freedom and gain the right knowledge about crypto world. Forsage is a totally decentralized ecosystem with global networks, education and international community that consists of many products such as community, academy, support center, marketing programs. The triumphant success of Forsage Ethereum and Forsage Tron has introduced millions of people to the world of smart contracts and decentralized finance. Many participants have achieved amazing financial results, changing their whole lives in the first 3 to 8 weeks of getting started with Forsage, and some even became dollar millionaires. And now the platform is available to work with BUSD stablecoin on the Binance Smart Chain. Forsage networking programs are now even more robust and stable with BUSD, which value is always equal to $1. Blockchain with revolutionary smart contract technology executes the Forsage programs automatically in a decentralized way. Decentralization makes the system fully autonomous and self-governed by the participants of the community. Unlike the common marketing platforms, the creators of Forsage never take or store members' cryptocurrency in any centralized location. So it's completely secure. 100% of all transactions are sent instantly and directly to the participants of Forsage and stored in their personal crypto wallets, which everyone controls with private keys. You can easily verify all of the transactions online on the blockchain as the platform is fully transparent. How Forsage BUSD marketing works. In Forsage BUSD decentralized networking platform, you can get started with as little as 10 BUSD and your potential results are literally unlimited. There are 4 programs to be available in Forsage BUSD: X3, X4, XXX and Xgold. In the X3 program, there are just 3 spots in one line. In the X4 programs, there are 2 lines with 2 spots on the first line and 4 on the second. XXX program has 3 lines, 2, 4, 8 spots consequently. In the Xgold program, you have 1 more line, total 4 lines with 30 spots. X3 is the simplest program to develop your individual structure. X4 opens opportunity of spillovers and teamwork. XXX is the sexiest Forsage program with even more spillover opportunity. Xgold has maximum spillover opportunity and scalability for teamwork. When you register with Forsage, the first levels of X3 and X4 programs that cost 5 BUSD each are activated. They are activated together and by activating them, you complete your registration in Forsage BUSD. You start with activating these 2 programs. Separately, the first levels of X3 and X4 cannot be activated. And then you can activate next levels in X3 and X4 and also next programs XXX and Xgold. When you invite partners, they register in your structure and fill out the spots in your matrix. The distribution of rewards is done automatically and instantly by the smart contract when your partners fill out the spots in your matrices. The Forsage programs. X3 program. When your first partner registered and takes a spot under you, 100% level cost goes to your personal wallet. Then the second partner takes second spot below you, and reward is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. When the third spot below you is full, you again receive 100% income, but in the form of recycle, which opens the same matrix level for you again. Recycling it, so you can continue to invite partners and receive rewards from it. And you take the next free spot in your upline partners matrix. Accordingly, 100% from recycle is transferred to your upline. X4 program. Partners who take 2 spots below you in the first line are in the second line of your upline. In X4 you receive rewards from the second line, 100% from 4 spots. Accordingly, from the partners of the first line, payment goes to the upline's wallet. 3 rewards from the second line go instantly to your wallet. When the last spot is filled, the matrix is closing and making an automatic recycle, activating matrix on the same level for you again. And the reward of 100% is transferred to applying partner. XXX program. In XXX program, you receive 30% from second and 70% from third line. Rewards from the first line go to applying. From the second line you get 30% from each of the 4 spots. From the third line you get 70% from 8 spots. The total yield from one XXX matrix cycle is 680%, out of which 100% is used for levels recycle. The last 30% rewards from the second line and last 70% rewards from third line. Xgold. In Xgold program you receive 20% from second, 30% from third and 50% from the fourth line. Rewards from the first line go to appliance. Total yield is 1120% from one circle of the matrix, of which 100% is used for automatic recycle. For this, the last 2 payments are collected. All programs. The first program has 1 line, and each next has 1 line more than previous. The first program X3 is the shortest, only 3 spots. In last program Xgold, there are already 30 spots. X3 is the fastest and depends entirely on your efforts. X4 opens up the potential for spillovers. In XXX and especially in Xgold, this potential is wider. Each program has its own characteristics, its pros and cons. In tandem, all the disadvantages are leveled. Combining all 4 programs creates the perfect balance of the ultimate marketing program ever. Start with Forsage. The cost scheduled by level is different in each of the programs. The first ones in X3 and X4 cost 5 BUSD each. The second one costs 10 and then up to the 12th level. There is simply a doubling and the last levels are the most interesting and begin revealing the possibilities of the Forsage network platform. How many levels can be activated at the start? As much as you want. The Forsage levels have no expiration date, so you don't need to be afraid that they will burn, so no loss is possible here. In parallel, there is a system that incentivizes participants to upgrade to higher levels from the profits they already made. Otherwise they can lose profits while you can earn extra profits. You can start on minimum with the first levels in X3 and X4. But if your partners activate the next levels before you, just starting with 1 level could lead you to lose contributions. Your structure may develop quickly. It's recommended to activate at least the first 3 levels in each program at the start. This ensures good initial results. The most successful partners use strategies to start from several levels at once. They set such an example themselves, and the partners do the same. As the result, their turnovers grow faster. The fastest and furious results are obtained by those who start from many levels at once, some from 6, some even from 9 levels or more. Forsage gives you amazing opportunities, but it should be remembered that Forsage is not an investment program. Results should not be expected to come by themselves. Results will come from your actions. If you are unsure of how to act, use the Forsage Academy knowledge available to participants. You are not alone. With you Forsage partners, team and community. There has never been a marketing program that has brought as many benefits to its participants as Forsage. Forsage was created for you, for your development, for your success. Welcome to Forsage, the first ever 100% decentralized global community.